Hello mathmakers, then try to solve this very simple and tricky math question within 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Now 5 minus 5 will equal to 0 times 10 divided by 5, and 0 times 10 will give result as 0 divided by 5, and 0 divided by 5 will give result 0. Do you think this is the right answer? Absolutely not. So how to solve this? We will solve with the help of PEMDAS, or you can say order of operations. So according to order of operations, first we have to do what? Here multiplication division. Okay. And as we can say multiplication division, we have to solve left to right because multiplication and division have the same criteria. And in that case, we have to solve left to right. So we have leftmost operation, which is multiplication. We will write 5 minus 5 times 10 will give result 50 divided by 5. Now we will go for this division part. We will write 5 minus 50 divided by 5 will give result 10, and 5 minus 10 will give result minus 5, which is the right answer for the first question. And moving to the next, we have our second column, 1 plus 12 minus 9 divided by 3 times 2. So we can write 1 plus 12 minus 9 divided by 3 times 2. Again, same concept, left right here. 1 plus 12 minus 9 divided by 3 will give you 3 times 2. 1 plus 12 minus 3 times 2 will give result as 6. And we will do left right operations. 1 plus 12 will give result as 13 minus 6. And here 13 minus 6 will give result 7, which is the right answer for the second question. And if you are math lover, then subscribe us for more videos. Thanks for watching.